A lot of people in general who are not familiar with being on camera may be shy, but it's important to have a voice. You know, Warren Buffett said, if you want to double your income, get into public speaking. Hey, really, it's not about hiring me. Let me train an internal crew so you can have better content. Because I love everything that you're doing, everything from helping as many people as possible to doing the charity work. So for me, it's all about technology, it's about content creation, and I'm just an open book, and I love talking. So on the side, we do a lot of creative luxury listing videos, small business videos, for anything, basically.
You're standing on a sand, right? It's not gonna last. So I like Adrian here. He didn't sign any paperwork with us. It's just common sense, I guess, right? Common sense and integrity and stuff like that. When our competitors call him and say, "Hey, give me," and then Adrian says, "I don't think that's the right thing to do." And then he asks, "Hey, Rudy, I just want to double check." When your competitors, when the KW people ask me for this stuff, can I give it to them? I don't think it's so. No. First I asked him, what do you think? Adrian said, I don't think so, because that's your stuff. You're right, man.
Speed, quality, and mobility. What takes most people a month to do, we'll do it in a day, because that's part of innovation. And
that's good, man. But most importantly, you have integrity, right? Especially nowadays, most people just look for a quick buck, and you actually keep our intellectual know
who you are, what you do, and how long you do it, so that wherever you go, people know who you are, what you do, and how you do it consistently. It just makes everything phenomenal. So, Exhaust Videos, Facebook, Instagram, anything, just feel free to message me. I'm super responsive 24/7. I just love answering questions about technology and talking to the world.
Okay, so just to
this last week, you guys are amazing. I mean, the moment when I saw when she sent the offer, it blew all the offers that I've seen in the past of all the agents I've worked with. The way it was structured, the way it was laid out, it made me wanted to accept it when I just looked at the first page. I didn't need to go any further. And that was really cool because I've seen a lot of different agents and just the way they write it, the way they structure it, it's not clean, it's not as professional. So I'm very glad. I mean, Java is going to see it and to work with you guys. And we're looking forward to your long-lasting relationship.
That's why your result is better. So in the next 3 days, if you don't get anything out, we're going to standardize that. So you're going to see people here on a pen. When I call the people here to teach, I don't call them because whatever, because they make money, like millions of dollars. They make a lot of money. You know what I mean? So in the next 3 days, you actually wanna pay attention. The worst place to be if you are here for the next 3 days is out on the hallway. Because if you already scheduled 3 days here, and then because when you hang out outside, you're gonna continue to do what you do. If you continue to do what you do, then you're gonna continue to get what you get, and that's really bad.
Hello everyone, my name is Andrew. I'm from Blue Movie Station. I just started working with Rudy very recently. Thanks for having me. So I'm just here to help you guys elevate each property to its fullest potential. We do about 3 different types of stages. We do full staging, partial staging, and also what most staging companies don't do is the living stage.
So if you're a Blue Lily design, that name doesn't exist outside these 4 doors here. So moving forward, we're gonna make sure we scrutinize this relationship. We wanna make it symbiotic, meaning, hey, every month, every quarter, Louis is gonna call you, have a meeting with you, and ask at least once a year, and ask, hey, in the last 12 months, how many business we sent your way? So moving forward, we want to start focusing on that kind of relationship. You know what I mean? So we want you them together, we can go. Right? So some of you have been with our team for many, many years and we never expect anything from you. But moving forward, it's going to change a little bit. Well, actually change differently. I think that's fair. Right? So it has to be. Now, what else can we do? It's not just business as far as clients, right? How about agent? What about strategic relationship? Did you notice you get more jobs in the last maybe 3-4 weeks than before? Oh, yeah. You know why? Because before we have our in-house photographer and we just changed our business model. So we are not going to use that. So all the photographer is going to go to you. So now you are the only one. The question is, do you even have the time? So you need to build a team, kind of like what Christy is doing now, right? So you have to have a little team there, 1 or 2 to help you, because otherwise you're going to start declining jobs. If you start declining jobs, then the people here, then we have no choice, and we have to hire a second photographer. So we need to separate our listing from the competitor. So that's why we are saying to the buyer, hey, if you buy this home, I'll buy yours. We separate, and then we rebranding all of our listing. We call it the art business.
Yeah.
For sales people, this is good enough. Remember, we are a marketing company. We just want people to call us. As long as the USP is there, it influences the search engine. Is good enough for us. You know what I mean? The reason I ask that question is because if there's anything to improve, you have to be open with them because they will make adjustments. If you don't say anything, then naturally you cannot improve this, so you don't know.
Talking about, focusing on your agents, I think, like Kirsten sent me a client and we don't have that product, okay? So I would say 90% of the lenders don't offer that product. And because of her, because of you guys, I would go out and look for that specific product for your client and sign up with
We
it.
have a plan. And then on the plan, then we have a follow-up plan. So the follow-up plan is that, on sync, we can notify back, call back in 6 months, in 3 months. You guys have to bring value to our team, you understand? You cannot just be an order taker. If you're looking for buyers who's already ready, willing, able to buy, with 30% down, 700 FICO, then we don't need you. We could have just gone to Bank of America. You know what I mean? But you cannot be an order taker. You gotta be, okay, somebody who don't qualify, how can we position that? I understand we have too many appointments, so it's easy for us the tendency is to just go through with the low-hanging fruit, right? I understand that, but it cannot be like that. You know what I mean? Because if it's like that, then we have no choice, but we have to bring another level, you know what I mean? And for example, the escrow, the reason we work well with this Christy and Young here is because they know when we talk about buyers, sellers will contribute up to 2% towards buyer closing costs. They know exactly what it is.
I work for a nonprofit called World Harvest, and some of the things and outlets that we do is we focus on education, we focus on disaster relief and community services. And our main focus is global, so we work in areas like Indonesia, Pakistan, Nepal, certain parts of Africa and India.
Indonesia. And then 15 kids right now, we are sponsoring some of the kids actually graduate from college. We have kids that we sponsored for the past 10 years, started while they were still in high school, elementary school. You guys, so far we are on track on 450 transactions closed up to September 2018 this year. So we have 3 more months, October, November, December, right? We just received this from PNB saying that, hey, congratulations for the past 7 years. You'll be running a financially healthy organization. See, this is what we are talking about. The focus on the next 3 days is the focus is being different. Because if you do what the majority, what the industry norms and standards, guess what happens? Then you're gonna get what the industry norms and standards, which is not much. How many lives you make in house, right? So we gotta make it. So we believe the principle we believe on is the size of the hole that you give to. Because if we don't know the number, we cannot improve things that we don't measure. We can only improve things that we measure. Does it make sense? You know what? We are in a business that words makes a difference, right? The difference between people who's making multiple net 6-figure income and the one who's never sell anything is the words that are coming out of their mouth. It's good. It's called risk reversal, right? So your offer is more likely to get accepted.